It's the beginning of November and I've gone a little crazy. I am making Christmas stickers. I made a huge batch of Christmas stickers, a few different sets I've come up with, and this is me cutting. It took hours and hours to cut hundreds and hundreds of stickers. I'm going to show you guys some of the stickers that I've created. For sticker projects, you're going to need some cardstock, some packaging, some sticker paper. This is the sticker paper I use. You're going to need Cricut Design Space or Photoshop to come up with the design, and you can either cut them by hand or you can use a Cricut machine to cut them out. I've made videos on how to make sticker sheets and stickers in the past, so you guys can go check that out. What do you guys think of these stickers? Let me know down in the comment. I love this time of year. The beautiful trees covered in snow. It's so festive, it's so cheery, it's so fun. The whole season is built around family and family time. There's so many fun events to do at Christmas time. I love this time of year and so excited to all the things I'm going to be creating with you guys.